Hold up. If you are at all into DIY fashion or biomechanical designs like HR Giger, you are going to love this project by Brittany and Cohen. Let's back up a little bit. First, what I saw her doing when I discovered her account is she was taking these hoses and she's using a peristaltic pump to pump colored fluid through them. And it just looks incredible. It kind of reminded me of a brain. And she took this cool pattern and she pumps it in and out of a nose. Why a nose? I don't know. Ask Brittany. She can tell you. But then she really dialed that in. She got it working. It looks awesome. And she decided to put it on a purse so she could carry it around. That was pretty freaking cool. She had an idea after that to make it even more wearable. And this is where things really come together. She's taken this design and she's using a red fluid, which immediately makes you start thinking maybe about blood. And she's decided to make it into a corset. And the structure holding it together is mimicking bones. Mwah, looks amazing. She's got the leather cut to look like a sternum. She's got the electronics hidden in a spine. It looks incredible. You should go follow her now. And the best part is she's still working on it. She's still posting updates. She's still asking for feedback from the audience so you could even influence how this thing evolves. That is incredible. Go follow Brittany Cohen. There'll be links below if you're not on the platform she's on. And be sure to let me know of other awesome projects I should be sharing here that people need to know about. Subscribe or else you smell bad.